Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with the cool, quiet air of the night. Exhale slowly, releasing the weight of the day. Let your body settle, your muscles relax, your thoughts drift like clouds across the vast sky above. The stars shine gently, their distant glow calming your mind, inviting you into rest. Feel the steady rhythm of your breath, like a soft breeze moving through the open desert. You are safe. You are at peace. Notice the way your body is supported, the gentle embrace of stillness cradling you. Your head is light, your shoulders releasing any lingering tension. Let the heaviness in your arms and legs melt away. Each breath you take guides you deeper into ease, into relaxation. The world outside slows, softens, quiets. Your heartbeat is steady, a gentle reminder that you are here, present, at ease. Let your attention rest on the space around you. Imagine the vast, endless sky stretching above, infinite and serene. The stars twinkle softly, their glow timeless and steady. The Milky Way arcs across the heavens, a river of light flowing through the darkness. The night air is cool against your skin, refreshing, calming. You're part of this landscape, part of the stillness, connected to the vast, peaceful expanse of the night. With each breath, feel yourself letting go, sinking deeper into the quiet embrace of rest. The weight of the day dissolves, your mind unwinds. The vast sky above mirrors the vast space within, infinite and open. There is nothing to do, nowhere to be. Just this moment, this breath, this deep, quiet stillness. Imagine yourself lying beneath the night sky, the canvas tent beside you a quiet sanctuary. The ground beneath you is solid, steady, grounding. The whisper of a distant breeze carries the scent of the earth, the subtle hush of the world at rest. Let this sense of stillness fill you, soothe you, bring you ease. Every muscle, every thought, every breath slows into deep, peaceful harmony. Stars move slowly above, tracing their ancient paths across the sky. Time feels soft, weightless. You're floating in this vastness, free, light, completely at peace. With each inhale, you welcome calm. With each exhale, you release any last remnants of tension. Sleep is near, gentle and inviting, like a soft wave rolling in, embracing you in its quiet depths. Let your mind drift like a feather on the night breeze, carried effortlessly into rest. The tent glows softly, a warm beacon in the cool night, offering you comfort and security. Your body is heavy, yet light, fully surrendered to the embrace of sleep. The world outside continues its slow, quiet rhythm, and you're part of it, floating, resting, at ease. Now, let go completely. Allow yourself to drift into deep, restorative sleep. The stars continue their journey, the night holding you in its gentle embrace. There is only peace, only stillness, only rest. Breathe in serenity, breathe out release. Sleep is here, welcoming you home.